Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
This is Sophia, my best friend's daughter, and she's helping me here today to do the Sephora Play for the month of April unboxing. So as always, Sephora comes with the paper explaining with which products you got. Usually on the back it comes like some activities for you to do or things for you to learn, and here you have the 50 points card for each purchase on that time frame. Okay, so the first product, and this month, instead of be with red details, this month is purple. It's so cute. Love it. Let's go to the products, shall we? From Verb, it came a shampoo and the conditioner sample, and this is a hydrating shampoo. I already got a Verb shampoo and conditioner sample and I love it. This is the sample of the month. Usually it comes a sample, usually it's a fragrance, but this time it came like a shampoo and a conditioner that I love. From Urban Decay, it came the Perversion mascara in black. From Pharmacy, it came the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I am not sure, but I think that I already got this one. And this is the Triple Action Cleansing Water from Sephora Brand. I am not complaining, okay, because I really like their micellar or micellar water. From Laura Mercier, it came the Foundation Prime Radiance. And the last product, it's from Clinique, the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So this is it, guys. Let's say bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay?
Okay.
See you next time.
Bye bye.